Hey babes, it's Jasmine Rozay and I'm back with another video. So I just wanted to come on and show you how I do my jumbo braid, which is knotless. And yeah, so first I'm just gonna go ahead and put my hair up into a ponytail so I can just get my hands free so that I can start applying some product. So I'm just going to use some Edgebooster for my edges to lay those down. I'm still iffy about this product, but I'm not going to waste. I'm just going to go ahead and use it because it does leave a white residue if you apply too much. So yeah, I'm not. It's good, but it just leaves a white residue. So I'm going to use some Sprits and use that for the back to kind of hold it up. I don't recommend using gel. I'm natural, so if you're natural, don't use gel because that's how your hair starts reverting back to curly, and that's when you get those waves in your ponytails. So try to use Sprits and not a whole lot of gel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my scarf on so that I can lay everything down and let it set or whatever. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get my braiding hair, which is the formation braid 3 times. Only have one left in the pack, but I only used one of those. So I'm just gonna go ahead and divide that one pack of braiding hair into 4 sections. Well, technically 5, because I'm gonna use a smaller piece to wrap around my scrunchie so that it's more seamless. So you see me here just pulling off that small piece right there. and I'm gonna use that later. So I'm gonna use this Loc Jamaican lock for my hair. I would usually use jam, but I didn't have any more jam, so I just used that to kind of like slick out my natural hair. I'm just gonna use a little bit of Eco Styler as well, so that it can blend well with the braiding hair and not stick out the braid. And then I'm going to just divide my natural hair with into 3 pieces, and then add a little bit more gel onto those individual pieces. And then I just start braiding my natural hair. And then I take one of the sections that I had divided up, and then I just put it up under that braid and attach it to my natural hair and continue to braid, making sure that I smoothed out my real hair so that it can blend with the braiding hair. And then I'm taking another section and adding that up under there. I know it's hard to see, my elbow all in the way, but yeah, so I just continue to braid that, and then I'm just going to braid it again, add another section up under that, continue to braid and blend my natural hair with the braiding hair with some gel so that it can stay in place. And then I'm going to take that final braid, final section, and put that up under that braid and continue to braid the braid all the way down. Once I get to the end, I'm going to just put a little rubber band on it. I attempted to curl the ends. I guess I did okay, I guess. I'm going to go back and redo it. But I'm just going to add these perm rods onto the end of my braid, try to get a curly end on that. And then I'm going to dip it in some hot water so that the little curls can set on the end. Like I said, they're not the best curls, but yeah, it's gonna do for right now. So right here, I'm just gonna put a hairpin in between the braid thing here and just attach it to the back of the braid. And then I'm gonna use this to just wrap around that scrunchie so that it's more seamless. And then once I wrap the rest of that around, I'm just going to use some more spritz so that it can hold it in place. And that is it for this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions, just leave it down in the comment box, or you can email me, and I'll be back next time with another video. Thanks.